things that I wanted to explain is something that I'm grading you on called visual tempo. So you all have your composition, and you're going to start to make color choices for your paintings, and you are going to be able to decide what each of these shapes, what color they should be. You are referencing your picture, and you can make some elements realistic, but because it's an aerial view, lots of the shapes become abstract. So you're going to carefully organize these color choices in order to create visual tempo within your composition. So these three compositions are the same. Okay, one is just shows you the basic lines and shapes that make up the composition, and then the other two is what we're comparing. One of them has a strong visual tempo, and one of them does not. Visual tempo just means visual harmony through rhythm and repetition. So harmony and unity mean the same thing, and it's the quality of wholeness or oneness within your composition. So you can arrange elements in order to create this feeling of completeness. Since your composition of lines and shapes isn't one of those things that you can organize, the thing that you are organizing is your color choices. So in these two examples, the lines and shapes stayed the same, and I made different color decisions to show you the difference between good harmony and harmony and nothing's organized in the other one. So rhythm is similar to music. So having something have a visual beat within the composition. So having something bounce around will create that completeness. Repetition could deal more with variation, but having that variation maybe create some sort of pattern or is organized in a way that is appealing to the eye. So taking a look at these two compositions, okay, that are colored in, which one do you think has a strong harmony or strong unity in it? Is it A or B? And why do you think that? Okay, because we can't discuss it back and forth. Okay, A has a strong harmony. Okay, part of the reason it has it is because of the rhythm and repetition of these colors. So, for instance, in B, some of the colors only appear once. Some of the colors are in the same part of the composition. There isn't as much visual interest as in an A. So when you go to choose where you're going to put each of these colors and each of these shapes, think about how you can repeat them and how you can organize them in a way that is appealing to the eye. So by having the red bounce from the left side to the middle to the top, okay, that's creating harmony. Having a variation like these lines or these dots and having them repeat creates harmony. Utilizing these colors in a way that's organized is what makes this visual tempo. So in this picture, all of the red is on the same side, all the yellows in the same side. You want to make sure that they bounce around. Okay, that's what's going to make your painting successful and accomplish your objective, which is to carefully organize color choices to create visual tempo within your composition. So take your time, do a little planning, but go back to these images in order to help you understand how to create that harmony.